guys, welcome back to my channel. I decided to show my face today because I missed you guys and I am trying my best to record more videos because I missed it, and I am very busy, so I try my best to record as much as I can, and then editing takes some time. But I am excited to show you guys a quick little tutorial of a polish change. This is not going to be a fail or anything because you kind of already know how. If you guys would want to see how that is done, you guys can see the previous videos. And this is kind of like I would call it a lazy fill. That's what I do, or you can consider it a polish change, whatever your preference. But I am going to be using some new products that Madame Glam sent me. I am super amazed of the quality of the products. I'm going to be showing you guys the colors. I did get 4 colors sent to me, and those are called Envy. I got the base and the top, then Dark and Sexy, which is my favorite. It's like a shimmery burgundy color, Sexy Purple, and I also got Fancy Bikini. And Fancy Bikini and Envy are 2 nude colors, which are super pigmented, and they are so nice. I love the product of the consistency of them. And the Dark and Sexy Purple are really nice as well. They're pigmented, they are nice, and with 2 coats you're ready to go. Even with 1 coat, if you applied it really nicely, but of course 2 is better. And I'm going to be using the Dark and Sexy and the Sexy Purple on the tutorial. It's just very simple, guys. I'm just gonna pretty much show you guys the quality of them and the consistency of the colors. And if you do want to do like a gel mani and stuff, they sent me the base and the top, which the top coat is really shiny. So yeah, guys, I'm super excited. I'll show you guys a little close up on the colors in a little bit, but these are the colors. And thank you so much, Madame Glam. I love the products, and I will put everything in the description below. I also do have a discount code for you guys, 30% off for these, not for these specifically, but for the site in general. And I will put everything in the description below. I hope you guys enjoy watching the tutorial. It's very simple, guys. I will be putting more tutorials up soon, and I am planning a class pretty soon as well, so stay tuned for that. And I missed you guys so much. Thank you all so much for your support. Thank you. Continue watching if you want to see the tutorial. So since I didn't do a fill, I am pretty much just changing the color. And for this, instead of applying acrylic, I'm going to be applying protein bond. I do this because it kind of helps adhere the gel. If not, it would maybe lift. So I apply it and then I go ahead and cure it. Now I'm going to be using Sexy Purple and Dark and Sexy for this polish change. I chose these 2 colors because they match perfectly with each other. One of them has a shimmer to it and the other one is just a solid color. I'm going to be applying thin coats, and as you can see, the consistency and pigmentation on this brand is amazing. This is just 1 coat and it already looks great. I'm applying the Dark and Sexy on the ring finger and the middle finger. Since it has a shimmer to it, I want to use them as accent nails. And be careful when applying any kind of dark color, not just this, but red, burgundy, black. They kind of, sometimes if you get it on the skin, it kind of stains it and it just looks a little bit, I don't like the way it looks, but you can always clean it, so just be careful when applying it if you can. As you can see, I kind of put it on the side, so I had to end up cleaning it. And just take your time, guys. Now I'm applying the second coat, and look at that, it's super dark, and these colors are just amazing. going to show you guys the actual speed how I work. I like to make sure that the polish is applied smoothly with nothing on it. Sometimes you can get lint on it. Make sure the polish looks like just flawless pretty much, and seal the edges. Now I'm going to be sealing everything with the top coat, which is tack free, so no wiping afterwards, and I cured it for a minute. This design is pretty simple, guys. I just wanted to review the product, and I'm going to show you a close-up on the shimmer on these two nails. I love them. Both colors are very nice, and if you guys want to know which colors and everything, I will put everything on the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Ya.
Cody!
Mamá. Ven, ven. Vamos,
You can close it, yeah.